Hey y'all, it's your girl Stephanie coming through with another video. If you are not already a subscriber of mine, please do not forget to subscribe. Hit the notification bell down below so you'll be notified each and every time I upload a video. If you are new, welcome. And if you are a current subscriber, welcome back. Welcome to my channel. I'm sorry y'all, the background looks a little different. It's going to look this way for about the next maybe 2 months because I am moving. But I'm not going to stop me from uploading my videos. You know, if you are new here, I am brand ambassador for Sweet Cookie Wash and also CEO of Real Blue Cosmetics. Basically, if you are new, I am currently transitioning. I'm having a rough hair day today, as you can see, but I am transitioning to natural, and I'm all about hair care, skin care, nails, and also I am here to provide reviews on products that I would like to review before you go out and waste your money. So I'll review them for you to save you some money. So I have quite a few products here. I am brand ambassador, as I said before, Sweet Cookie Wash, and I purchased the, I just got it in the mail yesterday because they were out of stock, and then she finally restocked. And this is the Sweet Cheeks Full Body Deodorant. It's specifically for your booty, okay? For the crack of your you know what. But so they have the Sweet Cookie Wash for the front, and then they got the Sweet Cheeks for the back. And this is peach. It is all natural, and you apply it to your special places. I have not used this as of yet, but it smells really good. And oh yeah, this smells good. Oh yeah, this smells good. Like I said, this goes in between your cheeks, but the smell is on 1,000. So I definitely will be using this all over when I get out the shower. So this is on the website, and it was for, I think it was $19.99. It's not on my invoice, but I think it was $19.99. But anyway, go to the website. I'll put the description. I'll put the link in the description box down below, and use my code STEPM5T2 to help save you some coins at checkout. But y'all, I probably wouldn't wait around for my review because the way that this smells, and like I said, it sold out the first time, it's gonna sell out again. So this comes in peach and watermelon. I have the peach. I have not yet tried the watermelon, but I plan to do so. So my next item, I purchased this recently from, I want to say Target. It is Sensitive plus Rose Water and Pink Sea Salt Scrub and Body Wash. And this smells amazing. I'm telling you, it smells like, you smell like a whole slushy. You take a shower in this, and this is supposed to be a scrub and wash, and it says it gently cleanses your skin with a restorative blend of infused calming rose water, rose quartz, and pink sea salt. And it's to soften the skin and lightly exfoliate. I didn't read that before I bought it, so that explains why it's a light exfoliant. So I don't too much care for it as far as on the exfoliating side, because I like to feel the roughness, rubbing off the roughness of my skin, and this just feels like a very faint scrub. So like I said, the smell is a million. I really love the smell. You take a shower in this and your whole bathroom smells like a freaking smoothie, like a pink smoothie. So the smell I love, and it does lather up. It lathers up really good, and it rinses off really good, but it kind of dries my skin out. So I probably won't be purchasing this again, but I would say try it out for yourself because everybody's skin is different. But I do love this for the smell and the lathering that it gives. And I'm sorry, y'all, my battery getting ready to die. I mean, my phone getting ready to die as usual. But anyway, so I would definitely recommend this if you don't have an issue with products drying your skin out. But this kind of dries mine out, but a lot of stuff do. So to each his own. But I really like this. Would I buy it again? No. Would I buy it for the smell? Yes. Would I buy it as an exfoliant? No. And then lastly, I have quite a few of these left. This is the Orange Cream Vanilla Body Butter from Real Blue Cosmetics. This is still available on the website for $9.99. Can't get this into focus. But this is still on the website for $9.99. Very smoothly. And it melts on skin contact. And it provides a lot of moisture. Smells amazing. We are entering the fall season, so nobody wants to walk around smelling like oranges. Yes, I said oranges. Unless you want to go to bed smelling like a fruit. But yeah, so see the shine it provides. It's not greasy. It makes your skin feel silky. It is amazing and it smells amazing. So visit realbluecosmetics.com. You can use the discount code RB21 for free shipping. I will also include that in the description box down below. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate. Comment in the comment section down below. Remember step M522 for Sweet Cookie Wash savings code, and then RB21 for Real Blue Cosmetics. You can also purchase these right now, y'all. I got about 6 of them left, I think. Getting ready to head to the post office to ship off your orders. If you purchased your order this Wednesday, I am headed to the post office like right now, and I'll be sending out tracking numbers later this afternoon. So until next time, that is all I have for today. Thank you for watching, and if you are, again, made it this far, do not forget to subscribe. If you thought about it, don't keep thinking about it. Hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell so you'll be notified each and every time I upload a video. Until then, I'll see you in the next video.